In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate and review an audiobook in the Audible app on your iPhone. Let's start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you own or have access to the audiobook you want to review. You'll also want a stable internet connection, since submitting a rating or review needs to go online. Once the app is open, head to the bottom of the screen and tap Library. If you're seeing recommendations or the store, you're probably on Home or Discover. Library brings you to the titles you already have. Inside your library, tap Audiobooks to focus on your purchased or added audiobooks. This filter keeps things tidy and makes it easier to find exactly what you want. Now locate the audiobook you'd like to rate. You can scroll through your list or quickly use the search bar at the top if you have a large library. When you see the right title, look for the three dots next to it. This is the More menu. Tap those three dots to open additional options for that book. From the menu that appears, tap Rate and Review. This takes you to the rating screen where you can share your feedback. You'll see stars that represent your overall experience, typically from 1 to 5. Tap the number of stars you think the audiobook deserves. Think about factors like the storyline or content, the narrator's performance, audio quality, and how engaged you felt while listening. You can change the star selection before you submit if you want to adjust it. Below the stars, you'll usually see a text box where you can write an optional review. This is your chance to add context to your rating. Keep it clear and helpful. Mention what you liked, what could be better, whether the narration style fit the material, or who might enjoy the book. Try to avoid major spoilers or give a quick spoiler warning if you include them. A few thoughtful sentences go a long way for other listeners deciding what to try next. When you're happy with your rating and any review you've typed, tap Submit. You should see a confirmation and your feedback will be sent to Audible. It might take a short time to appear publicly, so don't worry if you don't see it reflected instantly. If it doesn't show up right away, give the app a moment or check back later. That's it. Open Audible, go to Library, choose Audiobooks, pick your title, tap the three dots, select Rate and Review, choose your stars, add an optional review, and submit. Thanks for watching and happy listening.